Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot to us guys. In today's video we'll show you guys how to remove and replace spark plugs on BMW 3 Series guys from year 2005 to year 2013. So if you guys have a generation E90, E91, 92 or 93, we will explain guys how to do that. Now we'll demonstrate guys how to do that on a 6-cylinder gasoline engine. So if you have N51, N52, N53 or 4 engine guys, it may work for you guys. But even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, procedure will be very similar, so we will explain as we go. Now, before we start guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMW 3 Series, we have close to 400-500 videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, you can see this is guys the engine. We have everything taken apart because we'll be making quite a few videos about that engine, and if you have one, you definitely subscribe because we have videos that will save you thousands of dollars guys. And this channel right here, okay, that's our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. You can find even more information about diagnostics, engine codes. If you have need to replace fuses, relays, we have information that can be so helpful guys. So subscribe and definitely, okay, you will benefit from it and save money. Now, how you guys remove and replace spark plugs? Your spark plugs are under your engine cover. We have here everything, the cow trim piece removed, but you can practically do it without removing it. But if you want to see the video, we have it on the channel guys, lower cow trim removal on BMW E90. Then you need to remove guys this cover, engine cover. It usually attaches with 4 bushings to the engine guys, 4 rubber bushings, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see like that, and it attaches to the upper valve cover, okay, at these posts right here. Now those are guys your ignition coils right here, you can see, and your spark plugs will be under the ignition coils. So starting on the very front of your engine towards the radiator fan, the first ignition coil and the first fire spark will be for cylinder number 1. Then you go number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to cylinder number 5 and cylinder number 6. So we'll demonstrate just on one of them guys, okay, how to remove and replace spark plug, which is not very complicated at all. First you need to disconnect your ignition coil and remove it. So you need to lift the wiring harness up and grab the wire and gently start pulling while you're releasing that clip up, because sometimes they will be stuck. Now grab the ignition coil and just pull it straight out guys. Pull it straight out. Now if you need to buy new ignition coils, new spark plugs that are good for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below. We will explain guys where we get all our tools and parts from. We're going to get this is a 5/8 socket guys, spark plug socket. There is a special fitting on the bottom that doesn't let the spark plug fall out, and we're going to go ahead and get the spark plug loose with an extension. So we'll just demonstrate on one cylinder, but practically it's the same for all of them. Make sure guys you stay until the end. Okay, we're going to share very special, very helpful information about torque specs as well. Alright, spark plug coming out. This is guys a spark plug on our BMW. It's a Bosch spark plug guys, okay, right here. We will have a video that explains the gap and all that stuff when you get new plugs, but most of the times it will specify the gap when you order them. Even it will tell you the specific gap for your engine depending on the year, model and configuration. But now let's explain guys, okay, what spark plug gap we need, and if you need to buy new spark plugs, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. So the gap guys, okay, we found the gap. It should be about, okay, the gap for this spark plug should be for our engine 0.0, okay, 0.043 inches or 1.1 millimeter. So we adjusted ours. If you need to buy the gap too, we have it guys, we have the link listed in the description of the video below. Use a spark plug socket and be careful not to drop your spark plug too fast, because if you do, you're going to change the gap while you're installing it and it may not perform correct. Get it tight by hand, make sure that you do a few revolutions until it stops, otherwise you can cross thread it. And we're going to use the torque wrench. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get the torque wrench from guys, okay. And according to what I found guys, people say 23 Newton meters plus minus 3 Newton meters. So Right now, okay, we have ours at 23 Newton meters, guys. It's a click type wrench. Once you hear a click, you need to stop immediately. Listen now. This is it, guys, right there. And this is our torque specs for our guys engine. So putting it together, everything in reverse order, we took it apart. You need to install your ignition coil now, okay, just in reverse order that we took it apart. Okay, just go ahead, go on top of the spark plug. Okay, you need to find the spark plug, push it in and connect the cable. Now make sure, guys, that the cable actually goes all the way in. Okay, and just like that. Okay, it's not all the way in, you still have a gap. Okay, and this is it. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.